Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super handy. How to use a virtual Visa gift card in 2025. If you've got one of these digital wonders from a gift or reward, you're in the right place. We'll break it down step by step so you can start using it like a pro. First off, what's a virtual Visa gift card? It's essentially a prepaid card that exists only online, no physical plastic needed. You usually get it via email or an app, loaded with a specific amount of money. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Activate your card. Once you receive the details, log into the issuer's website or app. You'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV to get it activated. This is crucial for security, so don't skip it. Next, check your balance. Most providers have a portal or app where you can log in and see how much is left. It's a good habit to do this before shopping. Step 3. Add it to your digital wallet. For seamless use, link it to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Wallet. Just follow the prompts to enter the card details, and you're set for contactless payments. Now, for making purchases. Head to your favorite online store, enter the card information at checkout just like a regular credit card, and confirm the transaction. It's that straightforward. If you're using it in apps, select it as your payment method. One thing to watch out for in 2025 is that some platforms might have updated security features, like biometric verification, so keep your device updated. Pro tip. Always use it for secure sites and monitor your transactions to avoid any fraud. If you run into issues, like a declined payment, double-check the balance or contact customer support through the issuer's app. And remember, these cards often expire, so use them before the date on the card. There you have it. Using a virtual Visa gift card is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.